Hello? I think it's already this. Um, I tried to solve packet trace or implement basic connectivity. Always remember addressing cable is a very important automation. As you can see, we have S1 for switch 1, S2 for switch 2, PC1, PC2. We have interface VLAN 1 and VLAN. Also, we switch to VLAN 1 again. So we have default IP address or given IP address 192.168.1.253 for switch 1 and the subnet mask. Also for switch 2, we have VLAN 1 for interface. The given IP address is 192.168.1.254. Same subnet mask, then PC1 and PC2. So objectives: perform basic configuration on PC1 and PC2, configure the PCs, then configure the switch management interface or the VLAN. Always remember to read the instruction carefully. In this activity, you will first visit switch configuration, then implement basic connectivity by configuring IP address on switch and PC. When the IP addressing configuration is complete, we will use various show commands to verify the configuration and use the ping command to verify connectivity between devices. Every time mag-ping sa source to destination i-ping na to. Example, si PC2 using the given IP address. So, ma-reach out natin si PC2 if ever ma-complete na to ang basic configuration. Now, part 1, basic configuration for S1 and S2. Complete the steps on S1 and S2. Step 1, change the host name on S1. So, i-click lang natin sa S1, i-change natin yung host name first. Elevate, enable, connect for short configuration terminal. Then, change the host name S1. Then, step 2, configure the console and privilege exit mode. So first, we need to configure the client info. 0, password is Cisco. Then, next, type login. Also, we need to configure the remote access. 9BTY 0 space 2 for 16 devices. Then password again. Remove the password. And type that in. The next, the last command is exit to exit the config line terminal. Then we are done with line console password setup. So next, we need to configure the enable secret password using class password. So every time the user tries to execute enable, if ever i-hit na tong enter, the next command or next scenario, if ever niya mag-change or mag-execute enable, mag-ask of password, then password is class. Now step 3, verify everything. So, everything we set up. So from console password enable secret class. Let's try to verify if ever executable. Right? So first this password is for sister. Then try na to execute ang enable and switch as password. And password is class. Then we're done with step 3. So sa step 4, as you can see, set na to ang banner. Please set the banner to says authorized access only. Violators will be persecuted to the full extent of the law. So if someone tries to access without authorization, so na sila violation. So let's try to check the result if ever na na set na badaan or wala pa. Kay pag-open ko lang na to, try to open the PKA file, basic implement basic connectivity. It's already 2 points for completion. Let's try to view. So as you can see, it's already set up. So no need to set a banner again. If you are curious how to set a banner, let's try to use the help command. Help command. First, you need to elevate the configure terminal, then write the question mark for help command. As you can see, we have banner. So banner and question mark again. Sorry, question mark again. Next command is multi-deal, then set message. And on the whole code for and sign, so daraanin mo ito lang ang message. So for now, no need to set banner. So next is save the configuration file to in VRAM. So every time ma-reset daw na siya, guys, if ever delete na to and save, mabalik siya uno. So if para i-avoid na to na siya ng scenario, we need to execute copy running startup page or copy run start. The first method is copy run config. The short method or method 2 is copy run start, and the third method is write exit copy run start. Short command for copy running config and startup. Also same with write command. As you can see, the longest command copy running. If you don't remember the exact command, just click tab to autocorrect the startup config. We are done with switch 1. Now let's proceed to step 6. Repeat step 1 to step 5 on course S2. So sa itong gibuhat sa S1, same thing for S2. Now I will move. I will try to execute faster. Enable factory hosting S2 and also 0 password and also deliver that access password again, use password and exit line configure terminal, config line terminal, then set secret, enable secret plus or enable password, then try to save and start or this time we'll execute the code. So we are done with S1 and S2. Now let's check the result. If we have successfully set up S1, so as you can see, we're done with banner, password, login, enable secret, and then host name. Also with S2 same. So we have PC1 and PC2, also VLAN 1 and VLAN 1 for switch 2. So let's continue. So we are done with part 1. Let's move forward to part 2. Configure the PC. So try to read everything carefully. For step 1, configure both PC with IP address, then click PC1 and desktop, click IP configuration, addressing table, set the IP address to this one, then subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 for PC1. Then repeat the step 1A and 1B for PC2. So, para sure kita sa itong IP address na isa, let's scroll up. Then, atong i-view ang given IP address. For PC1, we need to copy this IP address. According to instruction, click the PC1, click the desktop, then IP configuration, and set IP address. It will automatically set the subnet mask to 255.255.0, so it's correct. Then close. Let's move to PC2. PC2 and desktop, IP configuration, IP address. And for that 168.1.2. So we are done. Correct subnet mask. As you can see, our completion moved to 48% or 48 over 88. Then, as you can see, we are done with part 2, configure the PC. So, check the result again. As you can see, PC1 and PC2. So, already checked. All we need to do next is set VLAN 1 IP address also with subnets. Now, to set up VLAN 1 or to set IP address on VLAN 1, click the switch 1 for step 3. Just follow this instruction. As you can see, we need to enable terminal, config terminal, then change the interface. VLAN 1, then hit enter. The next, just follow the instruction or scroll up. We need to set the given IP address for S1. IP address 1.1.1.255.255.255.0. Okay, be careful when you set IP address so that will not repeat our step. If you did something wrong, so all you need to do is to access, example, set the O3 of 1, squad, subnet mask, just repeat the steps or click the arrow up, then change the specific IP address or subnet mask and hit enter. And next command is no shutdown. To make this VLAN 1 up or on. So since ang current state niya is down, so para mag-up siya, we need to execute no shutdown. As you can see, our completion moved to 60%. Next step is VCT. Please change the interface. One, then set the IP address 192.168.1.254, then subnets 255. That's it. That's that. Okay, as you can see, our completion moved to 88%. We are done. How to set up implement basic connectivity. We try to pin PC2 using PC1. and that now we receive packet, we send packet 4, then receive 4 and lose 0, meaning we can connect anytime we want to be PC2. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something. How to set up basic, implement basic. That's all.